我相信。
This is gutter oil being collected. If you've visited or lived in China, you have eaten gutter oil. What you see here is a restaurant worker straining out used chili oil from a trash can. This is being collected to be reused for the next customer who orders spicy hot pot.
你干啥呢，哥们儿？你干啥呢？
This man is confronted and asked,
你有媳妇儿有孩子，上有老下有小，
"Do you not have family you care about?"
父母妻女身上，是不是？
I understand it's difficult to make money these days, but how would you feel if your elderly parents, your children and relatives ate this poison?
各位好，我也知道，就每个人生存在社会上都不容易，但是咱不能这样式儿的，好不好？
To which he replied, "You're right. I'll be on my way." And the gutter oil syndicates are more and more sophisticated than before. And if anyone tries to pretend as if it's being taken care of and that the government clamped down and it doesn't exist anymore, that's bullshit. Because not only is this footage that I'm showing you recent, but I filmed a lot of it myself. I filmed this stuff with my own eyes. Now, if me, just a single individual walking around in the streets of China and specifically living in one of the best, most prosperous, biggest, brightest cities of China, Shenzhen, if I saw it on a regular basis, so much so that I've got footage that I filmed myself and something that I would be commonly just scoffing at and saying, oh, there we go, gutter oil again.
我相信